morning, children. In previous class, we have seen about the introduction of food we need, isn't it? So, what is the need for food and also different sources from which we get food. In today's class, we'll see the ingredients that are required to prepare various food items and what is the World Food Day when it is celebrated. What is the reason for the celebration of World Food Day? Yes, children, the World Food Day is celebrated every year across the world on 16th October. When it is celebrated, children, the World Food Day is celebrated across the world on 16th October. It's on 16th October. It's the founding date of FAO. Wow, why it is celebrated? It's on occasion of the founding day. FAO was founded on that day. Is it clear? What is the full form of FAO? Food and Agricultural Organization. Food and Agriculture. Food and Agriculture Organization. Is it clear, children? So, what is the aim of FAO? The aim of FAO is to promote the worldwide awareness and action on, that is for the people who suffer from the hunger, and also to secure, that is to ensure the food for all the people, the food security, for the need to ensure the food security and nutritious diets for those who are in need and for all. Okay, so what is the main aim of FAO? The main aim of FAO is to provide or to promote the worldwide awareness. It's to provide the worldwide awareness and action to do the work. For what? For those who suffer from hunger. For those who suffer from hunger. Is it clear, children? And also, it also aims for the need, that is to ensure the security. Its need is to ensure the security and also the nutritious food to all. Nutritious food to all those who are in need of food. So it is the main aim of FAO. Food and Agriculture Organization. Food and Agricultural Organization aims at the need, that is to provide those who are in hunger, to awareness and action on for those who are in hunger and for the need, for the security, to ensure the food and security, to ensure the food and security and also the nutritious food to all. Okay, it is the aim of FAO. Next, the World Food Day. So it is celebrated on the occasion of founding date of FAO, which is on 16th October. Okay, children. So every year the World Food Day has a specific theme of its own and adopts the different themes every year. Is it clear, children? So that is about the World Food Day. Okay, now we'll see different ingredients that are required to prepare different food items. What are ingredients? I have already described you about the ingredients and discussed about this, isn't it, children? So what are ingredients? Ingredients are the substances that are required to prepare the food items. What are ingredients? Substances required to prepare food items. They are called as ingredients. You already know about the ingredients. So we'll see about some of the ingredients required for some of the food items by writing in your notes. Okay, write down what I say in your notes about potato curry, what are the different ingredients that are required. So every ingredient comes from either the plant source or the animal source, or and the salt that is obtained from the sea. It is also a food item, that the food that is used in our food items. Okay, the ingredient that is used in our food items. So the next, the water as it is also a source of food, we can say. Okay, now let's start writing about some of the ingredients of food items. Okay, children. See the board, children. Now the ingredients for different food items is given over here. See, the first food item is potato curry. It needs potatoes, as you know well, and to do the potato curry you required oil, seasoning items, chopped or cut potatoes, turmeric, and sometimes for potato curries you can take cut potatoes, boiled potatoes. Okay, boiled also you can take turmeric, chili powder, salt to taste, and also sometimes you add green chilies, ginger, okay, ginger, and also salt to taste, and salt to taste. And next, coming to coconut chutney, you know, see here children, seasoning items. What are seasoning items? Seasoning items include the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, the Bengal gram and the black gram, along with red chilies. So these are seasoning items that are used along with oil. So they are in general for any preparation of food items, first we add seasoning item, that is the preparation, not sweet item, but it's to hot items, curries and all the different food items that we use for lunch and dinner. We use seasoning items. Okay, next, coconut chutney. Coconut pieces, tamarind, green chili, salt, oil, seasoning items, asafoetida, inguva we say in Telugu, and curry leaves, you know, karivepaku. Next, gulab jamun. For it requires kova or maida, sugar syrup. It's a sweet item, you know it, isn't it? So oil and elaichi. Elaichi means it's called as cardamom. It's a cardamom. Cinnamon, you know it, but it's not used here. Cinnamon is used for biryani and all, isn't it? You know it. And the pongal. Rice, green gram, pepper, cumin seeds, ginger, ghee, cashew nuts, salt to taste. So these are the different ingredients are required to prepare different food items. For example, you take another example of biryani. So if you take biryani, you can say that it also requires different food items along with the biryani rice, and also basmati rice you take it for the granted, and also different mutton biryani or chicken biryani. If you want to do it, you take that food particular item that which comes from an animal source, isn't it? So you use it, and different the spices you add to it, and also you use the ginger garlic paste, turmeric and all, along with the garam masala and all you add for it, isn't it? Pepper, cloves, all the spices are being added for this. Condiments and spices are being added for doing biryani, isn't it? So for biryani you need rice, basmati rice, chicken or mutton, you need it, isn't it, for biryani. And also you need the garam masala and biryani masala or the garam masala you need, and ginger garlic paste, all the spices, spicy, so green chilies, red chilies, everything are required, isn't it? Green chilies, red chilies, chili powder is also used, isn't it? And also the spices including the cloves, that is they are the fragrant materials or aromatic materials that which are very we can say that they are very expensive too. They are not grown in all the places, they are only grown in particular places, so they are very expensive. These spices, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, the pepper, these are all the spices that we use in our food items to enhance the flavor of the food. Okay, children. So that is about the different ingredients that we use in food items. Okay, next we'll move to the activity that is about the food items and ingredients and from where do we get the source of the food item. Okay, ma? Okay, children, when you are buying the food from outside, it may be the packed food item, isn't it? It's a milk because packet I'm showing you, it's a packed food, isn't it? On this, it has its ingredients written on its wrapper. So this is a wrapper of this biscuit packet, and you can see the ingredients written over there along with the nutritive values. Okay, children? So here it's the ingredients written on this over this packet. Okay, children? So here it's the ingredients is being written over here. So the mostly its manufacture date and expiry date also will be written over this paper in wrapper itself. Okay, so we have to buy the packed food before the expiry date or otherwise it leads to various health problems. Okay, so mostly the UNDP, that United Nations Development Program, according to its consulting, 40% of food produced in India is being wasted according to the United Nations Development Program. So they revealed that 40% of the food in India is being wasted, produced in India is wasted. So by saying in function halls, if you see, or in any celebrations or in daily routine that we take the food is being wasted by saying that you do not like it. So every food item, all the varieties of food should be included no, and you should not waste the food. Okay, children? And according to FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization, the state of food security and the nutrition in the world of 2018 reveals that 119.9 million people are undernourished, that is they are not properly given the nutritious food or all the kinds of food that they need, the body needs is not supplied to these people. So this many people are undernourished in India. It is the statistical data that revealed by FAO, that was revealed by the FAO of 2018 year. Okay, ma? Next we'll see about the see here the ingredients from plants. See the board, children. So here the fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, spices, nuts and oil seeds are the ingredients that we get from the plants. Cereals, you know it, rice, wheat, ragi, all these are the jowar, maize, all comes under cereals, pulses, green gram, red gram, black gram, Bengal gram, and the spices, condiments, spices, cloves, pepper, naan, that is cinnamon, cardamom, all are comes under these spices, nuts, cashew nuts, groundnuts, oil seeds like groundnut oils, oil seeds, sunflower oil seeds. These are the oils that we get from these oil seeds, and the ingredients from the animals. Eggs, you know, from the different birds like hen, duck, emu, milk, buffalo, goat, cow, buffalo, goat, sheep gives us milk, and the meat, you know, from the chicken, that is hens, roosters, and also you get from the sheep, goat, also you get the meat, pig, pork eating people, beef eating people are there, isn't it? So the ingredients are from the different plants and animals, you know, and now the other sources like salt. Do you know any other source from which we get food? Yes, water is also the food that we get from the ground levels through the main source of water is rainwater, isn't it? So that is also a food. Okay, so ingredients like salt that is obtained from the sea is also the food as we use it in our food to get the taste. Now write the sources of the different ingredients we use to prepare the food items like cooked rice is given here. You know, for the rice we need only two items like rice and water. So rice is obtained from the plants and water we get from other sources like rain, etc., groundwater, isn't it, wells, etc. And the payasam. For cooking the payasam we need vermicelli or semia or the sago, sagubiyam we say.